This is an instructional video on how to put together one of our solar panel mounts, as well as using one of our solar panel assemblies. You can also use this solar panel mount with just about any solar panel, as long as it's not bigger than the actual mount itself. I'll let Eric do the instructional.
Alright, so this is typically what you would get if you ordered one of our ground mounts. And this piece would be what you would get if you ordered one of our wall mounts. This hardware, we've got bent threaded rod, black cap, 2 3/4 inch brackets, and 4 self-tapping screws. So the first thing we're going to do is drive our ground mount stake as far into the ground as we need to support the panel. Then you're going to take your bent threaded rod and run it into the lower end of the assembly. Just a couple of turns, nothing crazy. And you're going to slide that right down on top. Now what this does is allows you to tighten this up in any direction you want. So as the day progresses and you're shooting and you want to keep it in the full sun, you can keep turning it, or you can lock it down to your favorite position. So you're a morning shooter and you like that morning sun, you just lock it down to the morning sun and you're good to go. We're going to put our black cap on the other end, keep it from filling up with water. Now this is one of our solar panel assemblies, but this will work with just about any kind of solar panel. The 3/4 inch clips are going to go around your mount assembly, and you're going to use the self-tapping screws to mount them to the surface of your solar panel. Now this can go lengthwise, this can go long ways, pretty much whatever you feel is going to be the best to catch the most sun. So once you've got it locked into place and screwed on there, really easy just to loosen it up and turn this in any direction you want. Catch all that sun. Now if you were to use this with a wall mount, it's pretty much the same principle. You would just mount this either horizontally or vertically to any surface you wanted to use, and then slide this right over top of it, same as you would the ground mount. And then once you tighten it down, you can adjust it to any level you want, regardless of the position it's in. This way you can catch all the sun and not have to worry about your battery.